Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add dotted lines border on Excel data. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here I have a data and you can see the border is showing the plane. So here I'm going to convert this border in dotted lines. Okay, so simply select the data. So I select here the full data, then the right click of the mouse, then click on the format cells option, and here the format cell dialog box is open. Then click on the borders tab. In border tab, select first line style. You can see there are different lines available. You just select the dotted line. So I select the second one, the dotted line. After that, I just go to the click on the outline. Okay, and you can see here the preview. When you click on the outline, on outline is showing the dotted line preview, same as I click on the inside option, and you can see in inside also showing dotted line. So after the check the preview, just click on the OK, and that's it, your dotted line is apply on data. If you want to change color of this line, simply select again same data, right click of the mouse, click on the format cells option. In format cell dialog box, just click on the borders tab, and here the color option available. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want. You can click on the more color option also. You can select the standard color also, and you can custom your color also here. Okay, after that just click on OK, and you can see the all line style showing in selected color. Okay, after that just click on the outline. You can see now in preview the color is showing of dotted line. Then click on the inside. See the inside also color is showing. Okay, after the check preview, click on OK, and that's it, your dotted line with different color. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.